Unlock precision and power with the CIDAN FS series. This 14-gauge folding machine is available in both 126-inch and 161-inch folding lengths, featuring a 5.9-inch opening height, adjustable touchscreen with ProLink software, crowning adjustment, 40-inch back gauge, and a 2-year parts and labor warranty. Let's take a closer look and prepare to revolutionize your workshop with the CIDAN FS series. Our ProLink software enhances metal forming production with automatic folding and collision detection, an adjustable 18.5-inch touchscreen, remote offline programming, and the ability to link with our new Evolution SmartShop software. Achieving efficiency has never been easier. The FS series comes standard with crowning adjustment. This makes setup a breeze when folding various material types and thicknesses. No more manual shimming. The CIDAN FS series is furnished with a 40-inch back gauge. It is also available with a 61-inch back gauge that showcases our X-Taper technology. Exclusive to CIDAN, our programmable taper gauging guarantees simple control of overlaps for gutters, copings, or any desired profile that needs to be tapered. The solid lower beam tool protects sensitive or light gauge materials from damage, scratches, or indentations during clamping. With CIDAN X Space, enjoy greater freedom to design and fold your profiles. Say goodbye to limitations as you effortlessly create profiles that were once difficult or impossible to fold. Ready to take your business to the next level? CIDAN Machinery Group is more than just a manufacturer of sheet metal machinery solutions. We are your one-stop partner in sheet metal handling. Contact us today to enhance your bending capabilities with the CIDAN FS.